Hi, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. Tonight we're doing some very light snacks as we had late lunch. And I'm starting with the spring mix right here. And I didn't have a lot of things in the house, and then I have these cucumbers cut up that I'm gonna put in the salad. And some cut up red peppers. And usually I also put in tomatoes, but I kind of ran out of tomatoes. I have just a few, so I'll show you. I cut them up, or I sometimes make them a little, cut the slices a little bigger. But this is all I have for tonight, so I put that on. And the spring mix you could buy at any place, and you can use your choice of dressing, salt, pepper, and you can also add these candied pecans, which makes a salad taste very good, and then also feta, and I sometimes like to use avocado, and that makes a really nice salad. And I also use these crushed peppercorns in my salad. I like that, and that does it for the small Italian dinner salad. And now we're going to go on to do bruschetta. Now we're going to make the bruschetta, a simple bruschetta tonight. I'm just going to brush or dip this a little bit. I have sauteed some fresh basil, and I'm going to put a little, let's see, I have to get my spoon. I'm putting a little bit of this sauteed basil and olive oil on the bruschetta, and the basil is what makes it taste so good. That's what we're going to start with. Now that I have the basil, sauteed basil on here with the olive oil, I'm going to put mozzarella, the shredded mozzarella. Sometimes I use mozzarella, it just depends what I have on hand. But I also will put a little bit of tomato on here and Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to add a few little chopped tomatoes, which gives it a little moisture and also the pretty color. Now we're pretty much through with dressing the bruschetta, and I'm just sprinkling a little bit of Parmesan on each one. Then I'll put them in the oven to get the cheese to melt, and they'll be ready. I just got the bruschetta out of the oven. Here they are, ready to serve. And enjoy.